Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone guys setting, and today friends I will show you how to fix talkback problem on Realme mobile and friends any Android phone. Friends, you have talkback problems, so how to fix talkback on Realme phone. In this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all you can subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So now how to fix talkback? As you can see guys, now I am not operating my phone with one finger, so how can I fix this problem? So first guys I will show you guys how to unlock phone. So friends, one finger you cannot unlock your phone, so then use your two finger and guys swipe. And once you have pattern lock, so guys press your pattern and guys you can unlock your phone. So guys again scroll with two finger, click on guys phone setting, one tap on phone setting guys, and guys continue to tap, because guys one tap, if you one tap and so can setting will not on. So double tap continue, and guys click on any setting like example Wi-Fi and scroll it with two finger guys. Don't use one finger friends, you cannot scroll. So with two finger we will scroll. Additional setting guys, we will click one tap and double tap here. Friends, accessibility setting, one tap here and double tap here. Talkback settings, can click here and once double tap on talkback. One tap, if you one tap and you talkback setting will not on, so a double tap here. Press double tap on talkback button guys, top button guys, one tap and guys double tap to fix your talkback problem. So guys your talkback problem will fix, and guys now you can use your phone guys without any talkback problem. Realme phone friends, talkback problem will solve, and guys we can use our Realme phone without any talkback problem. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubts, so you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.